Good morning, first graders. Today is October the 8th, 2020. Dear everybody, how is virtual learning going for you? We hope you have learned something new about preparing for severe weather. Here are some winter storm safety tips for your family. Before a winter storm, have a disaster plan and prepare a disaster supplies kit for your home and car. Include a first aid kit, emergency food supply, bottled water, battery-operated radio, flashlight, protective clothing, and blankets. Don't forget, be aware of changing weather. Best wishes, your first grade teachers.